As a 12th grade student, especially doing the IB, it's so hard to keep up with my schoolwork and like studying and tests. And especially because we have practice almost every single day that goes until late. It's just really hard to keep up, but I like to take time to myself and just like slow things down so that I can get things done better and more efficiently so that I can equally balance sports and academics. It's really privileged to be a Phoenix because obviously not everybody is able to participate. So being in a community where you can make friends and create bonds is just so lucky. And I think having more support at games would really boost our morale, boost our happiness, boost our energy, and hopefully we can channel that energy into the games and win more games.
The hardest challenge that I faced as a student athlete is the student part of the athlete where I have to balance my schoolwork and my athletics. Especially this year with the start of IB, my workload has increased a lot and the amount of practices we've had has also increased a lot. The way I manage that is before practice, if we have late practice, then I'll use that time wisely, and as soon as I get home, I'll study. To have more support at games would mean a lot to me because I haven't really experienced a full home game, and I think that would just energize our drive and like passion to play harder for the crowd.
For success for myself, I believe that if I have the fulfillment of this year's season, I feel like that's pretty successful. As a team, I feel like having the best team bond is what makes a season also successful. At Seisen, a lot of the Seisen coaches have taught me to become more mentally stronger. And as I'm an only child, I've always had the thought of getting whatever I want. But at Seisen, as an athlete, I have to work hard to get what I want.
We have good chemistry within a team because as we played for many years through middle school, high school, or even if you're a newcomer, we have good chemistry, which helps us work well on the court. When I was in 7th grade, when A-team basketball, we won the tournament. It was such a special moment for me because that was the first tournament I've had ever won as a team. And we worked so hard to get there, which made me even prouder of the team. I just want to improve everything in every area possible because I'm playing a new position this year, a risk that I'm taking, and I want to be able to achieve good things in new choices that I make. So I want better shots, better shot percentage, better free throws, better defense. I just want to do everything that I can do to be better for this season. Would be trying our best, leaving it all on court, focusing and doing the best you can in terms of having fun, skills, and do good so that as a team you can achieve many goals.
So I think from day one, I really tried to encourage just everybody to get to know everybody on the team so that they're comfortable with everybody. So they've already started building good relationships with people on the team and hopefully with me as well. So I would encourage them to go talk to people that they're comfortable with, and hopefully more time is spent with people on the team so that they can help each other out through those hard times. And then also I believe that that's also part of the captain's jobs. So I do think that in speaking with the captains, if we know someone's having a hard time off of basketball in academics or relationship or family, that we would know about it, and I would ask the captains to try to be involved to try to help out in that situation. For this year, we have a variety of grade levels and players who have not played together very much. So I hope that we can achieve that camaraderie and that sense of team and that we're in it together. And that does need to be outside of the court and on the court. So yeah, that's kind of be the biggest goal this year, and everything we're going to do will be because we need to end as a team at the end of the season.